Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about one of the most underestimated design heroes in any space, wooden wall shelves. They're not just storage, they're visual anchors that shape the rhythm of any room. And when designed creatively, they turn plain walls into expressive personal art. So in this episode, we are diving deep into unique wooden wall shelf ideas. The kind that makes you say, I wish I had that in my house. Wood is more than just a material. It is mood, texture, and presence. Unlike glass or metal, it adds a natural warmth that balances modern interiors and softens industrial spaces. Each grain line, each knot in the timber, tells a subtle story of growth and time. When crafted into shelf, it gives the sense that your walls are alive, breathing through wood. That is what makes wooden wall shelves timeless. They never go out of style because they connect your home to something primal, nature itself. Once upon a time, shelves were purely functional, a place to stack books or display frames. But today, they have evolved into a blend of architecture and expression. Modern wooden wall shelves aren't just storage, they are design tools. They define negative space, direct the eye, and change how light travels across the wall. Think of them as punctuation marks in interior language, subtle yet essential for rhythm and balance. A single sculpture wooden shelf can do more for your decor than an entire set of cabinets. Here's where it gets exciting. Unique wooden shelves aren't just about shape, they're about attitude. They could be asymmetrical, modular, suspended, or carved. But what truly makes them stand out is intention. A floating shelf that disappears into the wall says minimalism. A rough-hewn reclaimed timber piece whispers rustic authenticity. A multi-level interlocking shelf celebrates playfulness and geometry. Uniqueness in design isn't about being loud. It's about being distinctively right for this space. Great design is emotional. A wooden wall shelf can hold books, yes, but it also holds meaning. The plants that catch sunlight on it, the candles that flicker on its edge, the travel souvenirs that remind you who you are. That's the beauty of using wood. It ages gracefully with your memories. Scratches, scuffs, and subtle patina aren't flaws. They are the story of a home being lived in. That is what metal or plastic can't offer. Soul. Wood is expressive even before it is shaped. Light-toned woods like birch or maple bring an airy modern aesthetic, perfect for Scandinavian or minimal interiors. Richer woods like walnut or teak add weight, grounding the room with elegance. And reclaimed or distressed wood tells a different story, one of character and imperfection. When choosing your shelf material, think about the emotional tone you want to create. Do you want calm minimalism, bold contrast, or cozy warmth? The wood you choose is the personality you invite in. A truly great shelf doesn't just sit on a wall, it belongs there. The placement and alignment matter just as much as the design. When shelves follow the geometry of windows, doors, or wall lines, they create visual harmony. You can design shelves to wrap around corners, connect across multiple walls, or even integrate with furniture. The trick is flow. When your eyes travel across the room, the shelves should feel like part of a larger conversation. Wooden wall shelves are the perfect balance of beauty and utility. They save space, declutter surfaces, and can make even the smallest apartments feel structured and intentional. But their real value is aesthetic discipline. They let you display what matters and hide what doesn't. Whether you use them for plants, books, or art, or curated minimalism, a well-placed wooden shelf creates calm order in a noisy world. Thanks for watching. If this wooden wall shelf ideas sparked inspiration, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you prefer a sleek modern floating design or something raw and rustic with real character? So until next time, happy decorating!